Hello, my name is Dr. Gloria, and today we're going to be learning about the solar system. Many astronomers have attempted to discover the truth about our world and beyond. With the collective knowledge gained from these efforts, we have come to understand and continue to discover worlds beyond our own. In this lesson, we will learn the fundamentals of our solar system's heavenly bodies and discover some of the most fascinating facts about the sun, the moons, and the planets. The solar system is the collection of celestial bodies that revolve around the sun, which is a star at its center. It includes 8 planets, their moons, also known as the natural satellites, asteroids, comets, meteoroids, and dwarf planets like Pluto. All these objects are held together by the sun's gravitational pull, and they move around it in fixed paths called orbits. The components of the solar system. We have the sun, the 8 planets, dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, meteoroids, meteors, and meteorites. And also we have the natural satellite, also known as the moon. The sun. Our sun is a 4.5 billion year old star at the center of our solar system, a hot, glowing ball of hydrogen and helium. The sun is also the solar system's largest object. The sun is around 93 million miles from the Earth, and life, as we know, it would not be possible without its energy. The sun is approximately 100 times larger than the Earth and approximately 10 times larger than Jupiter. The sun's core temperature is approximately 15 million degrees Celsius. Everything in our solar system revolves around it, including planets, asteroids, and comets. In summary, the sun is a medium-sized star made mostly of hot gases, mainly hydrogen and helium. It gives light and heat that make life possible on Earth. It contains about 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system. Energy from the sun is produced through a process called the nuclear fusion. The 8 planets. The planets revolve around the sun at different distances and speeds. They are divided into 2 main groups. The first group, the inner planets, also known as the terrestrial planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are smaller, rocky, and closer to the sun. They have few or no moons. And the next group is the outer planets, also known as the gas giants and ice giants. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are much larger, made mainly of gases, and have many moons. Saturn is known for its beautiful rings, and Jupiter is the largest planet. So you can see their sizes through this picture. The celestial planets are smaller in sizes, and the gas giants are larger. The first planet we're going to look at today is Mercury. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the sun, is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. The sun would appear more than 3 times as large from the surface of Mercury and as it does from Earth. And the sunlight will be up to 7 times brighter. Then the second planet is the Venus. Venus is Earth's closest planetary neighbor and the second planet from the sun. It is sometimes referred to as Earth's twin due to the size and density. Even though Mercury is closest to the sun, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Its surface temperature is approximately 475 degrees Celsius. Then our Earth. Earth is our home planet, the third planet from the sun. Is the only planet we know of that contains or can sustain and support life. Earth is the largest of the 4 four closest planets to the sun, which are all made of rock and metals. The next planet we're going to look at is Mars. You can see the picture here. Mars, a cold, dry, dusty planet with a thin atmosphere, is the fourth planet from the sun. Along with having seasons, solar ice caps, canyons, and extinct volcanoes, Mars is a dynamic planet. Next is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system and the first gas giant from the sun is Jupiter. All of the other planets in the solar system could fit inside Jupiter due to its enormous size. The next one is Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system. Saturn is located at a distance of 6 planets from the sun. Saturn is a gas giant primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. Titan is one of the Saturn's 83 moons. Saturn is also famous for its rings. So you can see this is the first one is the Jupiter, and the next with a ring is the Saturn. Uranus. The seventh planet from the sun is Uranus. Like Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus has an atmosphere composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, but it also contains methane. Methane causes Uranus to turn blue. Similar to Saturn, Uranus has rings too. Then the last planet on our solar system is the Neptune. The fourth largest and eighth planet from the sun, Neptune is also a gas giant. The methane in Neptune's upper atmosphere absorbs the sun's red light while returning its blue light to space. Neptune appears blue as a result. And we also have the dwarf planets. You have the Ceres, we have the Pluto, Eris, Haumea, and Makemake. Yes, so these are the dwarf planets. They are smaller than the 8 planets. That was why they were classified as dwarf. Then we have the asteroids. You can see the picture beside it. The rocky objects that orbit the sun, mostly found in the asteroid belts between Mars and Jupiter. The majority of the asteroids in our solar system can be found orbiting the sun in the asteroid belt, which is a region of space located between Mars and Jupiter's orbit. Then the next is comets. They are made of ice, dust, and rocks. When close to the sun, they develop bright tails that point away from it. It's really beautiful. Then we have the meteoroids, the meteors, and the meteorites. Meteoroids are small rocky particles in space. When they enter the Earth's atmosphere, they become meteors, which we normally call the shooting stars. And if they reach the ground, they are called meteorites. So you can see the different levels. Then lastly, the natural satellite, which is also known as the moon. These are bodies that revolve around planets. The Earth has one moon, while Jupiter and Saturn have many. The moon is the only natural satellite of Earth. Its distance is approximately 385,000 kilometers from the Earth. The moon, the brightest and biggest object in our night sky, make Earth more livable by regulating our planet's axis, resulting in a generally constant climate. So it is because of the moon phases that we have the different climates. We're going to learn about that in our next topic. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next topic. Bye for now.